Have you ever played 20 questions? Well, I thought it would be fun to try it. We're going to do this E-Comm style. My name is Heather Roberts, and I'm the co-founder of RSG Sales. We help home decor and furniture suppliers grow their e-commerce sales channel. So what we've done is made 20 questions E-Comm. And it's the questions that we get asked most frequently by our clients or people when we're talking to them as a prospective client. Number one, do I have to have a US-based company to sell on Wayfair? Yes. The only exception to that is if you're from Canada. Number two, why do I have to have a warehouse in the US to sell to Wayfair? Well, Wayfair and other retailers require this because they pay the cost of shipping. And if you're shipping from, China, it's a lot more expensive. So you need to have a warehouse based in the US. Number three, how much will I sell? This is also known as my magic ball question. And the simple answer is no one can predict that. There are too many things that go into having a successful e-commerce sales channel. It's things like merchandising, pricing, inventory, lead time, and a whole lot more. Number four, will Overstock or Wayfair buy the products from me? No, it's a straight dropship model. Number five, how long does it take to get set up with like Wayfair or Overstock? Well, that really varies by internet retailer. Some can be in 4 to 6 weeks. Some can be within 1 week if it's a marketplace, and others can take 10 to 12. It just really varies. Number six, are all like say tables or lighting or so forth in one category? So the answer is yes and no. There is the category of tables, but within tables, there are subcategories like say console tables, end tables, coffee tables, you name it, dining tables, right? All of those are tables, but they're also their own unique category. Number seven, can I start with just one product? Technically, yes, you can, but we don't recommend it. Number eight, this is my personal favorite. Do I need to complete all of the columns on the spreadsheet? Yes, you do. This is how the customer gets the product information. Number nine, do I have to have lifestyle images? Yes, you do. Many retailers will not let you become a supplier without it. Number 10, halfway there, guys. How much inventory do I need? Well, again, this varies per category and per price point, quite frankly. If you have a lower price point item, you're probably going to have a higher sales volume, so you're going to need more inventory. If you're a higher ticket, you're probably not going to have as many turns. Number 12, I don't accept returns. What do I do? Well, this is where you want to work with retailers that have a returns allowance that you can maybe bump up a little bit so that you don't ever have to get any kind of return. Number 13, why was I charged a chargeback, but I have a returns allowance? No, well, the answer to this is sometimes mistakes just happen. There is a human component here, and sometimes people make a mistake, and if it was a damage or a defect, they accidentally charge you for that. So you just have to, report it and submit a ticket and explain that it was an incorrect charge. Other reason you can have charges on if you have a returns allowance is for customer remorse. Customer remorse is not covered under the returns allowance. Number 14, who pays for the shipping? If you work with a direct supplier like a Wayfair, Overstock, Home Depot, Bed Bath, so forth and so on, then shipping is paid by them. If you are working in a marketplace, then the shipping is paid by you. Number 16, my warehouse has changed. How do I update the warehouse information? This is a really easy thing to do. You just go into the supplier portal and you change the information right in there in your vendor portal. Also, you want to make sure you make these changes at least 30 days in advance, gives the retailer time to adjust the shipping of how it's going to change. Also, this is a pro tip. When you change your warehouse and you are printing out your own packing sheets, make sure that you change the return address on the packing sheet as well, because otherwise it can confuse the customer and it can go to the wrong place. Number 17, can I speak to a real person? For 90% of suppliers, the answer is no. The industry has changed in a way that is now automated and using a ticket system. Y'all, I hate it, but it is what it is. Number 18, am I assigned a buyer? The answer to that is no. Most 90% actually of suppliers are not assigned a buyer. Instead, the people who do get assigned a buyer are the ones that are either identified after, say 12 months as a potential, high earning and key supplier, or a company that's been existing and has been selling you 10 million a year. Number 19, we're almost there. Do I get paid as soon as the product ships or the order ships? If you are working with a direct supplier, no, you have payment terms. If you're working in a marketplace, again, no, you still have payment terms. Number 20, last one. Can you, as an agency that works with, suppliers, guarantee that I'll be accepted to Home Depot, Lowe's, Bed Bath, Macy's, Target, you name it? You know what, y'all? We have a really, really good track record because we've been doing this from an e-commerce, as an e-commerce company for almost 15 years. And we have those personal relationships that most suppliers don't have. So the answer is no, we can't guarantee. However, when you work with an agency, somebody like us or somebody slimmer, and they have those personal relationships, then we leverage that to put and propose and put your company in the best light and make the retailer understand why you would be an asset to their business. Okay, if you would like a copy of the PDF that has all of these questions and the answers on it, all you need to do is comment below 20 questions and we will send it out to you. All right, y'all, thanks a lot. Bye.